Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Airbnb to book local experiences and tours. So first of all, go ahead and open your app. Now from here you will be able to find this option called experience over here. Right below your search option, go ahead and tap on it, scroll a little bit down and you will find an option called popular with travelers from your area. And all you can do is go ahead and slide and see all your activities and experiences that is quite popular within the local area. And once you have found your desired experience, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. From there you will be able to find this show dates option. Go ahead and tap on it, then select your date range. And once you've done so, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this next button and you can book it with your group or just for you. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your experience and touring journey. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.